I'm Mubashir Fardin. I'm contributing as a problem finder and resource manager at Team Fly High.
Hi, I am Nazmul Sanaim. I am working as a project coordinator and problem solver at Team Fly High.
Doing the job of research and information collecting.
Hi, I am Shumi. I am doing information collecting and research at Team Fly High.
I'm Indi Salahuddin, contributing as project creator and team coordinator.
Colonizing other planets is a fantasy for human civilization, since they have understood the possibilities of the extinction of Homo sapiens. Well, Mars is a good candidate for this, yet our record for furthest distance traveled was of Apollo 13. That was 4,171 kilometers from Earth. So, if we want to colonize Mars, we need to go a record-breaking average 392.04 million kilometers. That is almost 918 times longer than the previous record. It may take 150 to 300 days to reach Mars depending on speed of launch, Earth and Mars alignment. It will be hard for astronauts to live in a condition for such a long time because the problem of food is one of the major problems to tackle. We know in ISS astronauts use dry, frozen or restored food for living.
This type of food is not fresh. As a result, astronauts face lack of balance of nutrition and lack of freshness. Besides, stored food take a lot of space in spacecraft. That is not a good thing for long-term journey. To grow fresh food in ISS, NASA is working on Veggie and APH project. These projects are done in microgravity environment in International Space Station, but for long time space journey we need to develop this project to next level. So we have developed two type of system for two type of plant growing. One is LTMS-BS1 and second one is CBST-PGM1. By using CBST-PGM1 we will grow microgreen, mint, grease, and by using LTMS-BS1 we will grow lettuce, kale, arugula, tomato and strawberry. The compact based short time plant growing media is a one kind of media that has all type of oxygen control, carbon dioxide control, gas flow control and red and blue light control in it. Besides, it uses compressed fertilizer, clay and compost mixture as a base of these plants, which we, at the case of long time mist spray based system, we will use carbon dioxide supply plus collector, oxygen supply plus collector, gas flow and also LED light. Besides, we will use carbon dioxide and oxygen at the base of recycle basis. CBST GM we can collect microgreen, alpha phosphate, grease and mint from 3 to 7 days, and at the case of LTMS-BS we can collect lettuce, kale, tomato, strawberry from 1 to 1.5 months. By the help of our systems, astronauts can enjoy fresh food for long period of time. And overall, it will reduce storage cost, enjoy fresh food, overall healthy diet, and make the long mission easier. Besides CBST GM1 and LTMS BS1, astronauts will use 40% of their diet stored food, which are rich in calorie and rich in protein. Thank you.